What's good, everybody? Welcome. You see what's on the screen. If you can't, it says Chainlink. Okay, so that only means that this video is all about Chainlink. Okay, we're gonna be going over the price action on Chainlink. I'm gonna give you guys a nice technical analysis breakdown and basically kind of explain why it's down about 5.9% on the day. Okay, I'm gonna break down the weekly candle, the daily candle, and for the hodlers, give you the almost like I think that's overall price prediction and where I see price going next, and what I see for my day traders and how we can capitalize on the current price action that's occurring. First, I want to let you guys know this is not investment advice. Do your own research. Like, don't blame me if you lose your trades. Okay. So this is just education purposes. If you're new, my name is Theo. We do this type of stuff on the channel. On Petty Telly, we do crypto everything, right? That's TAs, NFTs, Metaverse, DeFi, all that in a bag of chips. So if you're about everything crypto, come join the team, smash the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So hopping right quick on the daily chart, you can see, if you just watched my weekly analysis video from last week, you can see I basically forecasted that price would come to this level. Not to brag, but I did. You know what I'm saying? Give me my flowers. I said it was gonna occur, and it did. That's not me saying that like I'm sort of genie or got a magic ball. Price simply told me where she wanted to go, and I just listened. Okay, so enough bragging. Let's get into the video. So on the weekly, you see price came down to that level. Last week closed a beautiful bearish like pin bar to the downside. Okay, and that right now is symboling more bearish pressure, and that's, as you can see right now, as of this week, it is Tuesday. We are having a bearish move. Okay, but I want to note that we are at a significant support level. Okay, but that doesn't mean that it can't be broken and we can't possibly come down to about $8. If Chainlink come down to about $8, holy. As a matter of fact, let me put that support level there right now. Holy. Okay, so anyway, let's drop on the daily. So on the daily, yesterday at 7 o'clock on Monday, price entered this bearish candle. Strong bearish candle, that I may add. Strong bearish candle, right? And with that being said, I'm sad to say, but I think we're gonna keep going down. Okay, right now the price is bullish. The candle is bullish, and we have seven and a half more hours left in this candle, in this daily candle, to close, to give us a confirmation, a validation if price is going up or down, or if this support is going to hold, right? And right now this bullish candle, in my mind, is essentially what yesterday was doing. You see we have this upper wick. That's essentially what this would have looked like if you had came on the charts when this upper wick was being formed. Okay, so that's why I say, like, we only make decisions off of close price action, close candles. Okay, so that's what the daily is saying right now. I gotta ride with the momentum. And the momentum right now in the market is bearish, right? But if a bullish move were to occur, I would say that this candle has to at least close like this or better, right, to then create some sort of, flow to the upside. But I personally wouldn't be like buying long term until this counter trend line is broken, this bearish pressure gauge is broken. If you're old, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're new, I use counter trend lines as like a gauge of pressure, right? And an example of that would be like right here. This counter trend line was acting as a gauge of pressure for this counter trend to the upside that we were on, which was a bullish uptrend in a bearish market. And as you can see, once that pressure gauge was broken, price successfully fell down, right? So the same principle can be applied to if price is ready to go back to the upside. Okay, so enough for the daily. Let's go on the 4 hour, right? The most recent 4 hour closed about 30 minutes ago, and price essentially found support at the level, at this key support area. Okay, so what does that mean? To me, that means price has successfully made a lower low. Now, what's next to come? So after seeing this lower low being printed and we have some sort of bounce off this support area, bounce off structure, what I'm hunting and waiting for now is on this retracement, I'm gonna stalk this retracement and wait for price to give signs that it has found some sort of resistance, right? That price is, and that when I'm seeing, when it's giving me that, when it has given me that hint that price has found resistance and ready to create a new lower high, aka new structure, I would then go on the 1 hour. All this right now is time frame correlation, right? Go on the 1 hour and basically wait for entry signal, which just could be a bearish engulfing candle, evening star, head and shoulder pattern. You know what I'm saying? Just bearish patterns to be printed, showing that price is ready to topple back over and come down. Now, on the contrary, what can print to invalidate that price has found resistance, or is probably gonna push higher to the higher time frame trend line, right? Something that would be maybe price breaking structure, and then just printing higher lows, right? Higher lows are characteristics of up bullish moves, bullish tendencies. You feel me? Lower highs, lower lows are characteristics of bearish moves, bearish trends. It's as simple as that. Higher lows, higher highs, I'm looking for buys. Lower lows, lower highs, we're gonna sell that bit. You feel me? So yeah. So if you're a day trader, this is what I see can occur. This is not investment advice, remember that, right? So right now, the last 1 hour closed nice and bearish, right? But that's the first bearish candle in about a few candles, right? So I need to at least see the bearish candle close something like this, right? And if this 1 hour was to close like this, then I wouldn't enter right off there. I would then hop on the lower time frame and wait for this to break. But what I would prefer to see is some sort of push, another retracement, to be fair, giving me some sort of a double top, and then entry signal to the downside, right? And why I would want that is because that type of move just I guess you could kind of assimilate it to, or liken it to, ringing out that more of the buyers into the market, that it's present in the market, right? Because simply a break of this to the downside, that can occur, but I like to know that I have entered near an area that price has recently found like resistance or support. You know, I like to enter off an area where price has recently respected structure. Okay, and that's like a principle of mine. It gives me a better frame of mind, because let's say we do enter down here, right? Let's say price does push and enter you into the trade, right? That a retracement is not far-fetched. Price can still come up here and make a retracement. You could get scared and parry out and exit the trade prematurely. The price can still fall down, right? And I'm not saying that after, let's say, if price were to respect a structure level and then you enter the price, like price pulls up, respects this resistance, and then fall to the downside, right? I'm not saying that price cannot come back up to the upside, because it most definitely could, but it is of my experience that when this occurs, those push-ups are less violent, less probable, and you have a higher chance of price at least pushing more aggressively below your entry or above the entry, depending on what side of position that you're in, if you're going up or down, before it actually does another retracement, right? So it gives you the opportunity to at least put your stops to break even. You know what I'm saying? So it gives you a better chance of not losing the trade from my experiences, right? So yeah, so to summarize this, that's what I see for the daily, for for the traders and for the hodler side, yeah, I wouldn't be too we may see some upward movement, but I wouldn't be too like bullish on this pair until we have at least a break of this trend line or this bearish pressure gauge. Okay, so if you enjoyed that video, smash the like button. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you have subscribed to the video, welcome. If you haven't, what you wait, what are you? If you have subscribed to the channel, welcome to the gang. And if you haven't, that sucks, but hey, we're not gonna force you. But see you guys in the next video.